Alright guys, today is a very special day. Whoa! It is the day we put an intake in the Type R finally. We have the PRL High Volume Intake ready to be placed right there. That's when you call them sissies.
Huh?
That's when you call them sissies.
Because they had to put soap on it, couldn't put it in raw.
This car is gonna go. Nuts. Whoa!
Alright. If it's too bright, you can always unscrew one of the bulbs.
Perfect. Wow. Did you make this?
No.
I feel like God. I can just shine light on whatever I want.
It's okay.
Alright. Slide her up, man.
Wow.
We need it. We need it, we need it.
Holy crap.
Okay, so.
It's going to go here.
On the side, fool.
Alright, it's time to pull out.
Oh. Pull out game strong.
Yo, is this supposed to be smoking like that?
Is it on plastic or anything? If it sits on plastic.
Oh, snap.
Yeah, it's burning your.
That's for another turbo?
Right there. We're gonna go straight, no filter.
Nope.
No filter.
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Ricky Bobby.
Nice and smooth. Nice and easy entry.
Oh no.
Put on it.
Okay, so this is inferior now, right? We don't need this. Oh no, we need this.
Recyclable.
We don't
eBay.
need this.
Alright, you got it?
Anything you'd like to say to the viewers?
Hammers fix anything.
Alright, so this is where it's supposed to be.
I'm running low on my E85. Alright.
What's the problem? We got a what is it?
Got a runner.
We got some screw stuck in here. Where'd it go? Alright.
Follow the noise.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna lose 5 horsepower. Whoa, you must have been good at operation.
Oh, come on, come on, come on.
Let's see how good you are.
Come on. It's not going, bro. Sideways.
Yes!
Alright, we're just about finished. Took us roughly like an hour and a half to really do it and make sure everything is nice and tight and not gonna fall apart, hopefully. Yeah, pretty easy install, just kind of time consuming, right?
Yeah. Wasn't too bad.
Oh. Whoa! Damn! Jesus Christ! Okay. Woo! Yo, that's like night and day.
Oh, yeah, that's a big difference in sound.
Yo, that's awesome. You ready to go for a drive?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Wait, should we clean up first?
Probably. That way, if I back up, I'm back.
Alright, let's clean up first.
Clean up, everybody, everywhere, we're clean up.
Sorry it's nighttime. You guys probably can't see anything. But we're just gonna listen
Please
to
depress the brake pedal to release the parking brake.
It's not rocket science.
It
You gotta
is
press
what-
the brake and then push it down.
Goddamn science, technology.
I don't believe in got some power.
A straight, left, right,
Straight, straight.
rewind.
Please fasten driver's seatbelt.
Snitch ass.
Your seatbelt.
Snitch ass.
Left, right. Man, that's nice.
Want to get on the freeway and then take it up on like 40th Street? Oh, look at the Mustang.
Ooh, you wanna
Speeding
play?
up.
You wanna play?
It's an eco boost. You wanna run? Let's run. This car's quick, no?
The response is crazy.
How is it like? Do you remember without the intake to now? Is it
Yeah,
different?
man. I mean, it took a little bit to spool up. You could hear it. You'll floor it. It had a little bit of a delay on the reaction time. Now it's almost instant, man. Man. Definitely a nice upgrade, man.
You wanna get up on 52nd and then we can.
Yeah, man. I fucking love that.
Damn it! That was it. Thumbs up for that, guys. Hit the like button for that. Oh my days, man. All right. He's having too much fun with that now. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed, this is gonna be the end of it. Hit the like button. It's much appreciated. It helps me out a lot. Oh my days, man. This guy's nuts. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to follow or subscribe, whatever your heart desires. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Call for an Uber?
What?
Did you call for an Uber?
Yes.